back to my cooking video. So today I'll be making a freaking jollof rice. Jollof rice is a West African food, and people have different way of cooking it. We have the Ghana jollof rice, we have the Togolese jollof rice, we have Nigerian jollof rice, which is the best jollof rice in my opinion. I mean, your first try is gonna suck because I'm not used to cooking. My mom used to cook and my sister. So now I started living by myself alone. You know, I have to learn how to cook. You don't know? I know there are people out there that doesn't know how to cook like me. But now I'm a chef, man. I'm a chef. You know what I'm saying? Chef based. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you guys how I make this and what you guys need. So for me personally, to make it more delicious and good, this is what I use. I use this pepper, which I don't fucking know the name. So, but I know it look like this. You can get all this at Walmart though. And for all this, I pay $26 for all this stuff. I mean, there's more. I got 6 of this and I got 6 of this. But right now, what we need right now is 2 onions, 4 red onions. And for the red pepper, you can just get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 red pepper. And the tomatoes, which is the most important ingredient for the jollof rice. For real, like right now, I got like almost 20 tomatoes. Make sure you guys use parboiled rice. So guys, this is optional. If you want, you can add this to it. I just love my food spicy, you know what I'm saying? I love my food spicy, so I add that to it. You guys need a tomato paste. Make sure you guys give this video thumbs up before you wash it, because it's about to go down and I'm about to kill it. So make sure you guys keep washing. Don't miss every step, because every step is important. Welcome back. So I didn't mention you're gonna need a blender. Because without blender you can't do shit. For real. But I don't know about you, but I like to wash everything. I'm back. You see this? There's no more water in it. It's dry now. So this is what you want, like this. You see all this stuff? This is what we're looking for. There's still gonna be a little water, like a little sound. Hey, so guys, now that everything is done, now transfer all the stuff into a bowl, like I did, and some of them may be burned, like the bottom, like that, maybe burned. Just take it out and trash it. And when you transfer everything into the bowl, make sure you let it cool down before you put it in the fridge, because you're not gonna use all the stuff for jollof rice. Now that I have my pepper sauce ready to go for my jollof rice, make sure you guys watch the next video on how I make that jollof rice step by step. It's easy process, it's not complicated. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll be showing you guys what you're gonna be using that pepper sauce to make for all the food, because we only using a little bit of that pepper sauce for jollof rice. The rest of it can go into the fridge so it won't get spoiled. See you guys in my next video. I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys do, please like, subscribe and share with your friend, and make sure you guys try it out. Thank you.